Which doll is the pretty doll? Which doll is the nice doll? Which doll is the bad doll? Which doll is the nice doll? And which doll is the bad doll? And why is that doll pretty?
Because she's white and he has 2 eyes.
Which doll is the ugly doll? Why is that doll ugly?
Because he's black.
Which doll looks most like you?
Like me?
Yeah, which one looks like you?
And that one?
Okay.
That doll.
The Barren Sea, icy bridge from Siberia to Alaska. It is interesting that some writers and some institutions do know that the Paleo-America origin, which claim that the first Americans cross the icy bridge from Siberia to Alaska was forced by 25,000 BK to 12,000 BK. There were native inhabiting the lake thousands of years before then. The period 25,000 to 12,000 BK fall into the late Paleolithic stage. The European chronology does not take into account that when all of Ouwarre except the southern Mediterranean were glaciated, there was a vibrant world full of life and enterprises. Ouwarre began rebounding as the glacier melt down. Progress about 11,000 BK. The melting of the icy Ouwarre was humanly slow, though geologically rapid. Life was not instantaneously restored. The inherent error has been the truncation of the world's chronology to fit into the European chronology. The icy highway, icy ferry corridor between the large Canadian ice sheet and the Siberian ice sheet did not happen. Rather, the work by man was to reach the tropical unglaciated land to the south. The claim walk from the east, now Siberia, then buried in over a mile thick glacier ice to Arica Chinyere did not happen. It simply was too much of an impossible state, and too many thousands of miles of icy wilderness for such a migration to have occurred. B for before. K stands for common errand. BK now BCE.
От нашего стола к вашему столу. Обстановка по кайфу, мужики.
О! Ай, блин, сломался. О,
Приятного аппетита.
спасибо.
Yo, sir. She said, you ain't not about to get these shiny earrings.